The number one determining factor for your success is your mindset. Now, isn't that surprising? I remember when I got started with this industry, when I learned that mindset is the most important factor in determining your success, what goes on between your two ears matters the most. At first, I didn't really have a clue what that meant. I thought to myself, well, what does that mean? And it wasn't until I started working on personal development and I started going through the challenges and the obstacles, I started noticing how important mindset is. Because as I look back on my journey, I realized over the course of 7 years I've been in this industry, I realized why I wasn't having success. It was because of my mindset. Because I was having a hard time getting that corrected. And that's why I wasn't taking action as much as I could have been. And that's why I wasn't exuding confidence in my ability to do something, because it all stemmed back from my upbringing and my mindset. So I can't begin to stress enough that when it comes to this business, when it comes to this industry, what goes on in your head really matters, because that will determine if you're really going to do the work and be successful, or if you're going to be just one of those complainers who keep complaining and who keep chasing after the next best thing, and you're going to be failing that way. Mindset matters most. Spend every day, or however often that you can, to work on your mindset. It's so important. Read books that are going to teach you something about how to get over a mindset challenge. Watch a video, listen to podcast. But whatever you do, always feed your mind like it's your baby. If you don't nourish it, it's not going to grow.